Hey guys, come on! The people are right over that way. I can smell them. Well, I guess I can't smell them, but very close to that. Ugh, what happened to that car? Man, I feel bad for the bugs who had to drive that thing. Guys! Ugh, I'm coming. What up? You okay, monkey? Yeah, I'm fine. It's just my butt hurts. It's bleeding a lot. Don't know why. I don't know what I did to deserve it. Just go over there. Try to get help for me, man. Okay. Come on, octopus. I'm coming, man. Okay. I see these people like toys and plants and, well, no, everyone likes those. Alright. Hey guys, what's up? Hey man, who are you? What? Who are you? Well, I'm Octopus. And, whoa, how's an octopus surviving out of water? You should be in the water, man. And your voice shouldn't be so squeaky. Why is your voice so squeaky? Hey, man, my voice is as squeaky as it was the day I met me. The day you met you? Well, okay, so the day of both. You can't criticize me on my voice. This is how my voice sounds, man. You might shatter some glass with that voice. Alright, well, we're looking for some survival tools. You know what some would be? Well, I mean, I have some here, but I mean they're mine. And this is my house. Yes, this is your house, but, wait, we were supposed to ask you something else. Man, what was it? It's that we were wondering if we could go home, and that we want to know where a home is. That's what it was, I think, dude. Yeah, right. Yeah, so do you know where our house is? I don't know who you are. Yeah, but do you know where we live? How am I supposed to know? I don't know what your house looks like. Yeah, well, I'll tell you this, it looks better than yours. Yours is just a plant. Hey, man, this is my plant. Oh, mine and his. What? Who are these guys, Todd? I don't know. I think they want to know where they live. They don't know where they live? How stupid are they? They're stupid and I don't care. Let's just not help them. You agree. These people suck. Hey man, I don't suck. You suck. You suck. You suck more. You suck so much that if you win a sucking contest, you would win. And if you suck so much that, wait, you know what? I'll just let this go. Well, we live in an apartment building, and we want to know if you know where the nearest apartment building is. You're a long way from home, my son. You don't know where you live, and I don't know where the nearest apartment is because I am lost. I am a traveler like you. Really? No, man, I was fun. Oh, okay. Whatever. Let's just go. Wait. You not coming onto my house, on my land, and just leaving. That's not how I do things around here. Then how do you do things around here? With a dancer. Oh no. Please don't. Sorry, it's already in motion. Alright, what music track should I pick? Should I pick classic rock, jazz bands, or my personal favorite, 70s funk? I don't know, but I ain't dancing. Oh, yes, you are. I think that this is the only way, and the only fair way, that whoever wins the dance-off, well, you know what? No, just go. This is stupid. Yeah, it is stupid. Shut up, man. Alright. Can we crash here then and live with you forever? In all eternity? I'm not gonna answer that because I think you know the answer already. Oh, so we can pack our stuff and move in here? Well, if you were to pack your stuff, that means you would have to go home and pack it. Unless you have it here now. But why would you have it now? But we wouldn't. Yeah, you ain't gonna live here, boy. This is where we live. Yeah, man! This is where we live! Shut up, Todd. Okay. Just go into the grassy fields. They're always fun to explore. They're mysterious. You like mysterious things, don't you? Living octopus. Living octopus? I mean, octopus that lives above water? Sure. Whatever. Hey, guys, let's just go. These people aren't helping us. So stupid. You're stupid. You don't like our dance-off. Our dance-off is the way we do things around here. So if you don't like it, whatever. Come on, guys. Huh? Wait, we're going? Okay, well, we're going to those meadows over there. Okay, sure. That's it. I'm so done. I'm not taking more of this. Why haven't we found our apartment yet, monkey? What? Why are you telling me this to me? How am I supposed to know? I don't know. I'm not the one leading us here. You were the one who said we should go over here. No, it was that lizard dude. I don't really care. You're the one leading us. You should know where we are or where we're going, right? No. Well, I should know, but I don't. And I'm sorry for that. I think he just said this. I think he just said, like, go this way, so we wouldn't have to be, like, next to him to bother him. Oh, well, he could just ask us to leave. Well, yeah, but we may not have wanted to. Yeah, true. So beautiful outside, though. Why don't we just live out here? What? Monkey, are you crazy? Oh, you were asking. Okay, well, I guess it's because domestication is who we are, I guess. We don't have time to run out inside and have fun because we're already doing what life is like for us now. Are we even animals? How can you say when we live in a domesticated society? Are humans animals? Of course they are. They're living things. So, trees an animal? What? No. Okay, maybe I should have rephrased that. Yeah. Hey, pile of grass. Do you know where we can go to go home? No. Hi-ho, I know where you can go. Wait, what? Grass. You said you don't know where I can go. Well, bro, that wasn't me talking. It must be him. Yo, man, let me out of this. I am not going to be in your stupid conversation, grass. You try to pull me in this all the time. Yeah, but there's usually a reason. Wait, if that wasn't you who said that, who was it? Hi-ho. Oh, God. Think you can escape? And you think that I meant to you? Yeah? What? Wait, what? Who's it? Comet the Frog? Comet? Didn't you die? Oh, wait, no, he didn't die. Yes, I didn't die. But I'll tell you what happened. And you will listen. I'm just happy you're okay, man. Do you know what a house is from here? If you even, don't you? Oh, sorry. Do you even know what a house is anymore? Because if you do, please tell us. We're dying to know. Yeah. We're kind of lost. Yeah, we just want to know. You really want to know how you're going to get back to your lovely house from here in this mysterious place that you've never been before? Yes.